Okay guys, it's your boy Shedrack chidera here, also known as shedifx. Alright, so as you all know, I always bring out to you weekly top down analysis from my end here, what I used to what pairs I'll be looking out for the next week trading days. So this week Saturday I was supposed to hold a section with the community, but then I was too occupied and then I could not hold that activities. So guys, I'm going to be making out this video for you guys to see the pairs I'll be looking out for from next week. So just stick with me to the very end of this video. Alright guys, so as you all know, I always look at from the dollar index to see the strength of the market on the US dollar, and then compare it with other pairs, or just do my thing, normal stuff like that. Just analyze the dollar index, you understand? So that's it. So I always start my analysis from the monthly time frame. I will always do the top down analysis to break the chart from the monthly time frame all the way to my entry time frame to sort out better entry positions. So guys, the market has been rallying. As you can all see from last week, the market has been well, pretty should be this week because this is just Sunday. The market, the Asian section just opened now. Yeah, the Asian section just opened now. Today is Sunday, 10:28 p.m. So this week you can see the markets, all the news and everything. The market has been very busy. You can see the dollar coming down, then going up again. Everything rallying, all because of Fed inflation and FOMC. You understand? So that's it. So I was actually anticipating that the market is going to take out the resistance on this area. Then we can now head out to our next levels in the market, which I have a level right here, and I have that level there, and I have my last high at the very top here. So I'm going to be changing the color of this. All right, so those are my levels, you understand? So this is the monthly time frame, so it's definitely going to take a lot of time for the market to get to all those areas. So that's it. So just going to take everything step by step to see how it's going to be. So let me just draw these zones so that we don't have the dotted lines that way. I just love to keep my chart clean, so I don't love too much lines and everything. So in order not to complicate issues for me, sometimes I just drop dot lines to represent a particular area, and that's fine for me. So that's it. So I'm really sorry for the notification, guys. I'm always too busy. A lot of message every time. A lot of messages every time. This too big. This too big. I'm going to leave it this way. All right, guys. So now this is a dollar index support and resistance. You can see currently we are trading above the resistance area. So let's go to a weekly time frame. I'm going to make this very quick and snappy so that I don't get to body people, you understand? And then you can continue with your day-to-day life activities. And that's it, guys. All right, so here's the market in an uptrend. So we had our last high where we're expecting the market to pull over and then go back to its original state, like come back to test. We're anticipating that the market have to come back and test. If you check my last video, you get the full gist on this pair. Yeah, you get the full gist how we like try to get this pair and how I drew my Fibonacci to tell you that the market came back to test a certain level on the Fibonacci retracement. I guess I've not set my Fibonacci. Oh god, I've not set my Fibonacci on this chart. I just got a new trading view subscription, so I've not set my Fibonacci yet. I'll normally have a settings for it, so well, let's just leave it that way. But then if you check my last video, you will notice how I drew the Fibonacci to tell you that the market came back to test a certain level at this area. That's why the market is rejecting that area, and we are looking out for more continuation to the upside. So as you can see, we had I have this line here where I was expecting the market to trade above it so that we continue bullish. But then we went above that level, came back inside, and we traded, but then we still closed bullish anyways. We still closed bullish even though we didn't break above that highs there. So it's still fine. We just have to look out for the market and see how it's going to be. So currently this is on the daily time frame right here. This is the daily time frame right here. So I'm going to be having a counter trend line inside the daily time frame. Yeah, I believe if you go to your 4 hour time frame, you see the trend line playing out very nicely. Currently we are just on the daily time frame, so it looks somehow scattering out, just there is something of that nature. So I'll be taking off this area here. So let's have this clean chart. I don't like bordering chart, you understand? So that's it. So if the market might try to go up a little bit, fall back inside, and if we break this area, definitely we should be falling down to the zone down here, or we continue all the way back down to the highs of the weekly time frame, the last high broke on the weekly time frame. So that's it. But then if we are unable to reject that area, which means if we are to break the area, then we should continue upward. The market should continue upward. So that's it, guys. All right, let's go to our 4 time frame. I guess I don't have a lot of data yet to analyze, so I just have this trend line right here on the dollar index. This is the trend line right there. So that's the trend line for the daily time frame. You can see how it's sitting on the 4 hour time frame here. So the market might come back to retest back down, or the market might just continue upward. So we can just, let me see, I have this area, I have this line here for the market to take out, but currently I don't feel comfortable with that line, so I'll just have to adjust this one all the way to the top. So I'll just have to adjust this to the very top. All right, that's fine. So I'm going to adjust that to that top there. So I expect the market, let me have a zone right here. All right, so I expect the market to take off that highs, then we can now continue upward. So if we're unable to take off that highs, then our next level, we should be able to break this low or come back to a test on this area, and then we can now spike upward again. So that's it, guys. This is just the move I'm looking out for on the dollar index. So let's check our next pair. All right, guys. So the next pair we'll be looking at here is Euro USD. So as you all know, I've always been saying it in my other videos that the Euro USD is the opposite of the dollar index. Now is the popular name for it is known as the anti-dollar. You understand? It's known as the anti-dollar, which means it does the opposite of anything the dollar index is doing. That's why it's called the anti-dollar. So so as you can see on the Euro USD here, we are currently on the support, the monthly support right here. So that's the monthly support. I have this as my last high right here. I have that as my last high there. That should be acting as my resistance. But then I still have, should call it a mini resistance. Alright, so I don't think there's anything like that, but then let's just have it that way. Since the market went to that area, stored, and then started to fall, so the areas can also be considered as an important area there. Alright, so let's continue. So I'm just going to be drawing the zone here to highlight my my support zone here. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to be drawing my resistance as well. So you can see what the dollar and the euro USD is doing. So since we are looking out for more buying continuation, we should be looking out for more selling opportunity on the euro. Currently, last week, I'm on a sell on the euro last week. As you can see, here was the analysis I dropped on the euro last week, but currently we are running on a loss right now. Yeah, here's my Telegram channel. You can check the link in the description below. Yes, my Telegram channel here is absolutely free. You can join it and make money for yourselves. So that's it. So, but currently we are running on a loss right now, but then we still expect the market to come back to profit. All right, let's continue with the video. So this is the Euro USD on this. So let's go to our weekly time frame. That's the monthly time frame. Let's go to our weekly time frame. You can see on the dollar index, the market is in an uptrend, but on the Euro USD, the market is in a downtrend right here. Okay. All right. So the market came into the support level and rejected so fast, but then we still expect that continuation. Anything that happens, we just take it that way. We just have to react to the market. So I'm going to be having this area here as my last structure broken, and then a weekly resistance inside there. So let's draw my area. Let's go to our daily time frame. Let's see what we have right here on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, here is it. So this should be that this area here should have acted as our invert head and shoulder, but then the market broke into this area here, so which means it's not valid. So we expected this. Look at this this zone here. So the market can easily go back inside there. Yeah, the market can tap into here, and then we reject the area. So you can reject this area from this position right here. So that's it. So we can still break through that area and then past it and go. You understand? Anything can happen in the market, but then I'm looking out for selling opportunities, so we can take a selling opportunities on the daily time frame from that area. Meanwhile, we are already on the sell, so we pray, we expect the market we expect the market to reverse all the way down, but then I'm seeing some kind of rejections here already, as the market tend to be testing this area broken before. The market seems to be testing this area on the 4-hour time frame. So I guess that area should be an important area for everyone to look out for. So right now I'm going to be taking off my trade if my 4-hour candle close above this area. I'm going to be taking off the position. Right now I don't even know where my stop loss is until I go down to the 15 minutes of 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I actually took this trade like a day trading. I'm a swing trader, but then I started this trade from the 15 minutes time frame, and then I don't know what's going to happen next, but we just anticipate that it actually moves in our favor. Nobody wants to lose money, man. All right, so that's it. That's just by the way. So let's have I'm going to be having my trend line on this time frame all the way from up here. Yeah, I'm going to be having this trend line this way. So we don't expect the market to go further. We expect the market to actually bounce inside. Here. Yeah, we expect something of this nature. So that's it, guys. This is what we're anticipating from the Euro USD. So in case we break through, we can easily break through. Yeah, remember that the up zone that we have there, we are looking at it as our selling opportunity from here all the way down. Yeah. So that's it, guys. So we're going to be looking at the next pair, guys. So you can see the next pair we have here is GBPUSD. All right. So the GBPUSD right now we are like coming down. We have been falling for a long period of time now on the monthly time frame. So we are currently on the support area on the market. We are currently in the support area in the market. So I just highlight my support and then my resistance at the very top right here. So I'm just going to be putting out the zones. Okay. Okay, that's it. I'm not widening it. I don't want the zone to be too big, because if it's too big, this is the monthly time frame. Going down to my smaller time frame is going to be looking too big. That zone is not looking straight to me, so I'm going to be drawing another zone. Alright, so let's go to our weekly time frame. You can see the market came into the support area, tap a little bit, and then we are rejecting that area so fast. But then rejecting that area, I would like to draw this zone right here. Yeah, so we expect something to be done from that zone. And then this zone right here, in case if the market wants to continue upward, then we have to take out this zone to get to our last low, to get to our last row right there. So that's it. So let's go to our daily time frame. There's our daily time frame. Okay, this is fine. So we expect the market to reject. Either we get a rejection from there or we continue upward. Yeah, we can either reject this market from here or we continue upward. Yeah. So these are the two-way factors we can get on the daily time frame currently. So that's it. Let's go to our forward time frame. We have the markets having this little trend line right here. So having this little trend line right here, we expect either, and then you can see we are testing right on this last area broken right here. So we are testing on that area right there. So you can see there. Let me remove it again. So either we continue upward, we can either continue upward in this market. You understand? You can continue upward in the market, or we break this trend line, the smaller trend line right here, and then we'll continue downward. So this is my anticipation on the GBPUSD. So this is it, guys. So let's check the next pair. Okay, guys. So our next pair here, as you can see, we have the USDCAD. So the USDCAD we have been going up, but then I was expecting this market to sell. Yeah, I was expecting the market to sell, but then the oil price has been going down, hereby affecting the CAD. Yeah, affecting the CAD currency, the CAD dollar. Yeah, I guess that's it. So the CAD has been very, very weak in the market. So since the CAD has been weak, USD is being strong. The market has been going up from last week, from the ending of last week. So I'll just have my levels drawn out. Okay. So I'm just going to have my last. This area should be acting as my resistance on the monthly time frame. So just have to adjust this level right now. All right. So let's squeeze our charts now. So that's and this level will be acting as our support area. So I just have to let's draw it out. Let's draw it out. Let's draw my zone. Yeah. Alright, so those are my zones right there. So coming inside this market now, we have our last structure here broken. So we expect the market to retrace after testing this area. Yeah, we expect the market to do a U-turn after testing this area. Okay, so that is it. But in case we break that area, then we have to continue to the very top right over there to our resistance area. So let's scale down to our weekly time frame to see what we got. So the weekly time frame we closed very bullish, but then I don't think that's still necessary, as the market always comes to this height and then we reject. The market always comes to this height and then we reject. The market comes to this height, then we reject. So until we take that area away, USDCAD is going nowhere. We have to take that area away. If not, USDCAD is going nowhere. So I'll just have this zone right here. This line drawn out this way. So that's it. So two things are involved. The market either keep on just consolidating in between these areas this way, you understand, until we finally have a C to either go up or we come down or we go down. So it's either a break above or a break below. So this is it, guys. This is it. So let's go to our daily time frame. Oh, this is the 4 time frame. Let's go to our daily time frame. Okay. So yes, our daily time frame. You can see we are texting that resistance very strongly. So we just have to look out for what's going to happen next in the market. So I guess I don't have a lot of data here to monitor, so I have to scale down to my 4 time frame. Yeah, I guess this looking pretty okay right now. So that's it. So from the 4 time frame here, we have my trend line. I have my trend line this way. The trend line is not touching. I don't like the trend line. So okay, this is better. So I have my trend line this way. So two things are involved. We either come back to test this area right here. So we can either come back to test it and then we continue bullish, or we can actually drop and break through. You get? So this is it, guys. So this is my anticipation right here on the USDCAD. Yes, you see it on the USDCAD. So I was anticipating I was looking out for drawing more patterns, but then I'm so exhausted right now. Seriously, I'm so stressed out. I told you I'm so stressed out. I'm supposed to be sleeping now, but then it's fine. So I'm just going to be doing a top-down analysis on some of the pairs I'll be looking out for and be dropping it on the channel. So if you're not on the channel, you do yourself a very good by joining. The link will be on the description below. So that's it, absolutely free. So I guess that's what I'm going to be doing, guys. So before then, I really appreciate your time. Thanks for sticking with me to the very end of this video. I guess I'm going to be stopping right here. Alright, so have a nice trading day, trading week. Yeah, actually trading week. So thanks a lot, guys. I'll be seeing you shortly. Peace out.